cancel rule because of procedure problems, but why make it easier for companies to have you leave than it is to... It's so easy to cancel.
Don't do it, dude.
Yeah, as long as you
don't do
get
it, dude.
through, that phone. Try canceling Peacock Plus. Well, I've never signed up for Peacock. Well, that's probably very smart. I watch Law and Order, that's about it. Well, that's...
If you want to help them in the future, you have to become strong yourself.
Vi bit her lips and nodded. She wanted to help her mother, but she simply had no power to do so at the moment.
Okay, what are you doing?
Back on Fei-Fei's side, the Scarlet Bear saw the illusion that helped it on the escape disappearing. No other choice then. Doing such a thing, the bear couldn't care anymore. At the same time, Fei-Fei was unconscious, so she wouldn't be able to hold the bear.
Oh, yes!
However, the Scarlet Bear gritted its teeth and helped her with its spiritual energy. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, yes! Oh, yeah. Oh, crap. I got another one behind me.
Just give up. How long do you think your bloodline will resist?
As a divine beast, he immediately understood what the Scarlet Bear was doing, so he wasn't in a hurry. He knew that the bear would run out of power very soon. However, it was then that he noticed a black-purple streak of light moving straight at him.
Get my way.
However, the streak of light didn't stop.
There's a lot of claims placed forward that have an effect that coincides with them. We're also
Definitely got the white truck for sure. You get out of the way, sir. She's flying. You better get out of the way. Fucking idiot. Move over. Fucking dumbass. What a dumbass. Holy shit. That's fucking amazing. Move over. Wow. What an idiot. That's fucking amazing. You fucking... Oh my god. These people are fucking too dumb for words, man. Oh, you got yourself pulled over! You're a better target than the speeder! Holy shit. Oh my lord, this is the dumbest thing I've ever fucking seen. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one's for the books, man.
And just exactly what does that mean? Let's see.
Oh, yay!
I can't tell you what to do until you tell me what you want to.
Oh, he's getting pulled over.
Well, if you're in debt, I guess I would call.
Yeah! Ha 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 ha!
Numéro, puis tout le long, je le vois avec sa blonde, puis je suis comme très. Puis c'est parce que tu le sais, quand tu es quelqu'un, tu peux pas le regarder dans les yeux, puis tu fais comme. Mais donc, tu as une joke.
Arrête de regarder, arrête, écoute, c'est une première, tu sais, c'est quoi? Il y a plein de monde, j'arrêtais pas de regarder le set, je me disais, pourquoi qu'il y a mis ce petit chapeau-là? Oui, c'était à
next to Camrose Les Chateau Hotel. And brighter on the night we met.
I think we'll be seeing you in a few kilometers.
A few moments later.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Got pulled over, those two cars speeding. One was a cop. Got pulled over, those two cars speeding.
Right, sort of disgusting. And Elder and I have a different perspective now. a little bit more there than he wanted to admit.
Definitely got popped.
Enter into the record a little piece from this Patrick CC.
Definitely got popped.
He's on,
Seems like there was a little bit more there than he wanted to admit.
Definitely got popped.
Enter into the record a little piece from this Patrick CC.
Definitely got popped.
He's on, Portnoy, will it take to destroy this pizza review? This is about a woman with a brand named Maria who
Dude ran a red light.